Spending time outdoors without protecting your skin from the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays can damage your skin. Fortunately, you can improve the appearance of this damage using at-home and in-office treatments. I'm Dr. Amit Om, a board-certified dermatologist, and here are the steps you should take if you want to reduce the signs of sun damage on your skin. Start by identifying the signs of sun damage you'd like to treat. Unprotected sun exposure adds up over the years, and you might start to notice changes to your skin that weren't there before. These changes might include wrinkles, age spots, loose skin, or a blotchy complexion. Although treatment can reduce signs of aging on your skin, protecting your skin from the sun can help prevent future damage. Protect your skin by seeking shade, wearing sun-protective clothing, and using a broad-spectrum, water-resistant sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher. Sun protection can also help prevent, slow down, and even reverse signs of sun damage, as well as reduce your risk of skin cancer. To get the best results, use sun protection every day, even when it's cloudy or cold outside. And if you use tanning beds, you should stop. Use an over-the-counter retinol or prescription retinoid to reduce signs of sun damage. The term retinoid is a catch-all for an array of products with vitamin A-like ingredients that are used on the skin. Retinoids can make mild, fine lines and wrinkles, uneven skin tone, and age spots less noticeable. It can also improve skin texture. Some people need a prescription-strength retinoid to help fade signs of sun damage. A board-certified dermatologist can tell you whether a retinol you buy at your local store or a prescription-strength retinoid would be more effective for you. You may also want to consider in-office procedures to treat your sun-damaged skin, such as chemical peels, laser treatments, injectables, or microdermabrasion. With so many treatment options available, it can be hard to know which to choose. A board-certified dermatologist has the expertise to create a treatment plan tailored to your individual needs. A dermatologist can also examine your skin and tell you whether any spots could be skin cancer. When caught early, skin cancer is highly treatable. The results you see from in-office procedures depend largely on the skill of the person performing them. To protect your health and get the best results, partner with a board-certified dermatologist.